Okay, so welcome back to my Python lecture series. Today, we will be doing an example about file handling. So I have downloaded here a names.txt file which contains about 18,000 first names. So this came from the USNA website. So I just downloaded it there. It's open source. So I will leave the link to the names.txt files in the description below. Okay? So, for example, we want to filter things out, no? So, for example, I want to look for names that starts with the letter M, no? So, let's do that for now, no? So, first is we want to open the file, no? So, file open. I can do open, and now I need to specify the path to that file. So, I do that by going to names.txt and then going to properties and then copying this part. Okay? And I paste it here. And don't forget to put R. And then we specify the name of the text file. So that is names.txt. And then we say now we want to read it. So we put R as the mode. So now we want to go through all the names in that names.txt file. So we can do that using for loops. So for I in file open, if let's say yung first letter, let's do indexing here. So if I sub 0, so we are getting the first letter is equal to M, okay? We just print I. Okay, so what this does is kung yung first letter I M, we just print it. Okay? So don't forget to close the file, no? So file open dot close. Okay? So if I run the code, it gives us all the names with letter M, no? So as you can see, madami. And from the previous videos, I have not yet told you how to handle yung space in between yung mga words. Tama? So yung mga enters na yan ay actually mga backslash n, which is caused by kung paano tinostore yung data within the OS, no? So to fix this, we can just do I.strip. Okay, so this removes yung backslash n na yun. Okay, so if I run the code again, makikita mo na nawala na yung mga spaces. So, next example is, for example, I want to count kung gaano kadami yung names sa loob ng names.txt. Okay? So, we can do that simply by creating a count variable. So, I can do count equals 0. Then, for I in file open, I can do count plus equals 1. So you have seen this before, and I hope you remember what this does. And if I run the code, it prints nothing kasi I didn't print count. So I need to print count here. And if I run the code, it gives us the exact number, no? 18,239. So next is, for example, I want to look for naman kung gaano karami yung names with the letter A or with the letter B or with the letter C. Tama? So I can do that using dictionaries. Tama? So I store the key, for example, A, and then yung value nung key na yon ay kung gaano kadaming letter A names. Okay? So I can make a dictionary called DIC, let's say, and then opening, closing curly brackets. Then we can initialize the keys na we want in this dictionary. So for example, I want the key A, then 0 muna. And I want the key B, and initialize to 0. And I want the key C and initialize it to 0. Okay? So, for I in file open, if I sub 0, again, the first letter is equal to A, we can just do d sub A plus equals 1. Okay? And we can do this for B and C also. No? So, if I can just copy paste this, and change these. And then I can print the dict at the end. Okay? And if I run our code, it will show us na meron tayong 1,532 na names that start with letter A, and then we have 666 na names that start with B, and we have 1,447 names that starts with C. Okay, so how can we generalize this? So today I have shown you how powerful the open function is, yung built-in na file handling ng Python. So it can do all sorts of stuff, no? So I hope to see you again next time.